The main communication task for the SAP presence at the Hannover Messe 2019 was the development of a comprehensive storytelling concept, through which the SAP portfolio is presented innovatively and impressively as a closed end-to-end solution. But how do you communicate a complex industrial solution that consists of both the abstract software processes and real manufacturing processes? The solution is a combination of spatial and digital storytelling. The protagonist is a double seat valve of a filling station. The complex SAP solution designed to operate is explained around one product hero. Visitors were invited to explore the process steps, design, plan, manufacture, deliver and operate at 5 decentralized stations and experience it all live on the 2,000 square meter booth. The highlight installation empowered them to dive into an interactive high-level story on 5 transparent OLED screens. The interaction takes place via eye tracking. The human gaze serves as a mouse substitute. The transparency of the screens enables a cohesive interaction between the real valve and the visitor-controlled virtual media. By recording the position of the viewer's head, the animation on the screen is always displayed from their perspective, creating a real 3D effect. The digital twin of the valve can thus appear virtually next to the original and be augmented from its birth to operation and subsequent optimization. Physical and virtual reality merge and create an absolute wow effect. The highlight installation was immensely popular and enabled many valuable customer dialogues, as well as opportunities for publicity. In addition to the highlight installation, the interactive application could be used at other terminals. In addition, the animations were featured on all media areas on the exhibition stand. Following its successful display at the Hannover Messe, the highlight exhibit is touring numerous follow-up events to give SAP customers worldwide a new look at the intelligent enterprise vision.